Hey, what is up guys? My name is Eric and welcome to a real quick Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix an issue you might be experiencing where your audio is playing back in a really stuttery or crackling way within Premiere Pro. This tutorial doesn't concern the audio files themselves, so the audio files I assume are fine. You can play them back in like VLC or media player or whatever else you use to play back your media. They sound fine there, but it's just Premiere Pro that's the issue. So to fix that, all you have to do is go up to Edit, go down to Preferences, Audio Hardware, enable device class MME. Under the default input, choose No Inputs. And under the latency, this is the most important part, set it to something like 200 ms. The lower the latency is in milliseconds, the more likely you are to experience audio crackling and audio playback issues within Premiere Pro. The default input I've set to no input because that works best for me. If this doesn't help you or if it makes something else worse, try and use your default system default one. For me it's this analog 1+2 and try that and see if that works. Other than that, play around with the latency, set it higher to make sure that the audio plays back fine. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hopefully it was helpful to you. If it was, please click the like button down below as it helps me out a lot. If you have any questions or also questions for the future series, then leave those in the comment section down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.